Are you looking to learn more about buying a home? Well, this is the fastest home buying seminar you will ever attend. Let's look at the steps. First off, get pre-approved. Talk to a loan officer and understand how much home you can afford and what your monthly payments will be at that level. Second, get aligned. If it's more than one of you buying the home, you want to understand what the other person who's buying with you actually wants. Because if one's going one direction, one's going another direction, this is going to take a while. The next one, visit homes for sale, whether it's with an agent or at open houses. It makes sense to see more than 1, 2, 3 houses. You want to understand what a value is out there so that you can identify that ideal home, which is the next step. You would make an offer on that home, and in today's market, you want to put your best foot forward because there are often multiple offers. The next step, negotiate. There's not a lot of negotiating right now. In multiple offers, you make sure you have your highest offer and see if they'll accept it. The next step is inspection. And with an inspection, you want to learn about the home. It's not necessarily a negotiating tool. This is to protect you, the buyer, and to understand if there are any issues with the home. The loan approval is the next step. And in order to get a loan approval, when they ask you for documents, get them to them in a timely manner so that you don't miss your close date. From there, we want to remove the rest of the contingencies. If for some reason you have a homeowners association, you will end up having contingencies for the review of the documents on that homeowners association. From there, you go to the appraisal step. If you're taking out a loan, you're more than likely going to have an appraisal on this property. They're going to make sure that the home that you're buying is actually worth what you are paying for it. From there, you review the final numbers from the loan officer and get ready for the final steps, which would be final walkthrough. You're going to do that either the evening before or the morning of closing. And in that final walkthrough, you are looking for anything missing from the home, any damages to the home, or anything that you negotiated as part of the contingency for inspection. From that final walkthrough, you go to closing. Bring your checkbook, bring your ID, bring a pen. You're going to be doing a lot of signing, but when it's over, it's time to celebrate. You're a homeowner.